it's John from Action Services, and if you've ever watched any of my previous videos, you would know that one of my favorite features which you can add in the backyard is outdoor kitchens. Food is what typically combines humans together. We get to have really good conversation and memories over a meal, and whether you want to grill some steaks or you're a vegetarian and you're looking to get some veggies and fruits grilled in, outdoor kitchens are truly unique spaces which you could build in a backyard to have those memorable experience created by yourself. What you see behind me is a modern outside kitchen. And the reason I call it modern is you can see that the exterior material which we used has a really nice sleek look, and we've actually used a porcelain tile to clad the entire thing. On top of our outdoor kitchen, we have a granite countertop. This outdoor kitchen is truly one of a kind because we've got all kinds of features here. We've got our outdoor sink. We've got our beverage center, which could be filled in with ice, and that's where you could be putting some of your drinks. Behind me here, we have a feature which is called Argentinian grill. You could be putting charcoals or actual firewood, and then after this, you could light it up and you're able to control the temperature of your meat by simply going up and down with this system. This is really great for my friends who like a real smell of wood and who want to use a real charcoal or a real wood. And then behind me, you've got one of the most popular way of actually barbecuing and grilling meat. You've got a natural gas barbecue. We also have 2 fridges to stack up all your favorite foods and drinks. And we've got lots of storage space under kitchen. If you're looking to build a really unique outdoor kitchen, Action Services are the best guys to call.